Hey everyone, and in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create a course on Skool. So if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a 14-day free trial with Skool. Normally it costs money, but at least with that 14-day free trial, you can go ahead and test out Skool. But in order to create a course on Skool, you do have to be signed up. And once you're signed up, you want to click on this classroom tab that you see over here. And then afterwards, click on this new course box that you see over here. Now from here, you can simply add your course name, you can add a course description, you can also decide who has access to this course, and you can also decide the cover image. So with that being said, you can also go ahead and publish your course or click on this toggle button to actually draft your course in case it's not ready to be published yet. But this is what a draft course looks like, and this is what a published course looks like. So published courses basically don't have that draft label on it. And then drafted courses have that draft label on it. So this makes it super easy to actually go ahead and create your course on Skool. And again, if you haven't signed up for Skool just yet, you can use my link down below in order to get a 14-day free trial off of Skool.